to protection of power system, there has been very highly demand for electrical energy in modern civilization. This energy mostly needs for lighting, heating, domestic appliances, industrial machines, and electrical transmission. In our daily life, it has been very important of electrical supply in such way that if any system has got fault, then this faulty system easily is to isolate and remaining healthy system which will continue provided electrical supply for this purpose. On and off switches or switch gears are provided in the condition of normal and abnormal for electrical equipments and other generators, transmission lines, and distributors. So switch gears are used for protection in electrical power system. Switch gear, using an electrical power system, those all apparatuses which used for controlling, regulating or on and off switching, are called switch gears. Switch gears consist basically switching and protective devices. Examples: switches, fuses, isolators, breakers and relays, etc. During normal operation, switch gears are used on and off for generators, transmission lines and distributors and other electrical equipments, but whenever a fault appears in any electrical system, example, short circuit and overvoltage, etc. If this faulty system will not isolate from remaining healthy system, then heavy loss to other electrical system and consumers electrical supply switches off which connects with the faulty system. Therefore, automatic switch gears are necessary for protection of generators, transmission lines, transformers and other electrical apparatuses. These automatic protection apparatuses consist of switch gears, relays and breakers. Whenever fault appears in electrical system, then relay of its system will operate and send trip signal to circuit breaker off or disconnects from faulty system. So switch gears system protect from appearing of faults in power system and keep continued electrical supply wherever is the healthy system. Tumbler switch is the simple type of switch gear in domestics and offices. And tumbler switch has FUES for protection for high current. High Rapturing capacity fuses are used for protection high rating circuits. Breakers, circuit breakers such as device during normal and abnormal condition, breaker close and open in electrical system. Benefits of switch gears: 1. Automatic system. 2. Isolate completely faulty system by automatic. 3. Act immediately for protection. Extra loss from short circuit current. 4. There is no extra duration of disconnection of electrical supply of consumers. 1 line diagram. All electrical devices or apparatuses are shown single line in simply way for any electrical power system. Then such a signal diagram of power system is called one line diagram. For this purposes, shown three-phase system is single-phase diagram. One-phase wire is in single phase and other neutral. But in single diagram there is not shown neutral, so these electrical system devices symbols are shown in three phases: single phase or one-line diagram. Impedance diagram. All connecting devices in electrical power system, for example generators, transformers, transmission lines and load, etc. If it will show as figure of impedance RL, such as diagram is called electrical power system. One line diagram of electrical power can be changed as impedance. 1. Impedance loads have shown by RL. 2. It has been omitted current limiting in between of ground and neutral of the generator. 3. Normally shunt admittance of transformer has kept for equivalent of transformer are equivalent because its magnetizing current is very less with ratio of full load current. 4. By the normal way of transformation for three-phase transformers has been shown on both sides of transmission lines, such as same connection like delta star and star star. 5. Length of medium transmission lines has shown phi circuit, and it can also be shown as T reactance diagram if it is omitted all static loads, all resistances, Each magnetized current of every transformer and line capacitance of transmission lines and shown by reactance. So such diagram is called reactance diagram for the purpose calculation, normally reactance diagram. Resistance is neglected. There is no difference in impedance and reactance, those loads which relate to the rotating machines. During fault, then total line, there will reduce line current.